My name is Satindar Chawla and I'm the founder of Span Floors. The brand started in 2007, but we've been importing wood floors since the year 2000. So actually it's almost 24 years now. And the brand was created specifically for luxury residential. So the unique thing is basically the delivery of what our customers want. In simple terms, they want to create a very beautiful ambience. So whatever product, they choose for their house has to fit into that. You cannot deliver what the customer wants unless and until you really understand your product. So we've done a lot of work in understanding the technical details of wood. We pay attention to four main things. We know the customer is buying a wood floor because he wants to make a beautiful house. So aesthetics is the number one priority. Second thing would be durability. So we want to have a nice product. We also want it to last long. The third one was the aspect of health. Health became a priority for us, and we found manufacturers who were using chemicals that were not harming the indoor air. The fourth thing was, of course, sustainability. People have this idea that if you're using wood, it is not good for the environment. So as we started to study this more in detail, we found that the opposite was true. The more wood you use, the more carbon you store in the timber. It actually helps the environment. Our product range includes indoor wood floors, and that would have two categories predominantly. One is laminate floors and one is engineered floors. So talking about laminate floors, we've got a big collection over here. Let's look at this beautiful oak floor. Look at the grains. Even if you were to look at it more closely, you will find the depth of the grain being realistically copied from real wood. At this time, predominantly 95% of our customers would go in for engineered wood floors. In the luxury residential segment, engineered wood floors have hugely taken that segment of the market. So these are beautiful floors. Sometimes people think engineered wood floors are not real wood floors, but they are 100% real wood and they look phenomenal. Another thing we do is the brass inlay work. For example, something like this, this can be done. So over on this wall, we have products which can be used for outdoor applications. We are also doing now exterior wood. And exterior wood, the categories we do decking, which is outdoor wood floors. We also do wood facades and wood soffits. We also do pergolas, gates. We provide full services to our client. We have our own in-house technical department, civil engineers. Our showroom is located in Greater Clash 2, New Delhi. And this market is in the center of South Delhi. And has been a hub for premium building and construction materials for many years. So when a customer walks in, we try to keep it very interactive. So we discuss with the designer what kind of ambience they want to create, what is that the customer really likes. And based on that input, we've got tons of materials to show you around. The reason people should look at us or consider us is because we just believe in the value of exchange. We just think that, when people give us their money, they worked hard for it. And it's our job now, when they entrust us with a work, that we do that PhD or the research in our product to deliver what the customer wants.